Hi, I'm Doug with Largo Home Buyers, and if you own a house in Seminole, Florida that you need to sell fast, I want you to know you have a real local option. We are a family-owned cash home buying company based right here in Pinellas County. For more than 14 years, we have helped Seminole homeowners sell their houses without repairs or stress. No agent fees, no long waiting, no dealing with showings or listings. Just a simple, direct way to sell your house when you need to move quickly. Maybe you inherited a house you do not want to deal with. Maybe you are going through a divorce or falling behind on payments. Maybe you are a tired landlord ready to be done with problem tenants. Whatever the reason, we can help. We work with homeowners in all kinds of situations and keep the process simple and straightforward. Here is how it works. Call or text and tell us about your house. It only takes a few minutes to get started. We give you a fair cash offer within 24 hours. No pressure, no obligation. Just a clear number you can consider. If you like the offer, we can close in as little as 7 days, or date you choose. You stay in control the whole time. No repairs, no cleaning, no commissions. The offer we give you is the cash you walk away with. Pick up the phone and call us right now. We are local, we are ready, and we are waiting to hear from you.